Hello everybody and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. Eating a little bit of leftover chili. No beans. Recording at 10:55. That's good enough for lunch. That's some good chili. All right, you know my disclaimer, as I've been saying for days, this can change and it will change. You've got to say that in these situations, and it has changed. It may go back if you scroll down, look at yesterday. I think it was yesterday's blog video where I looked at the maps for Tuesday and I said, "Pinch me, am I dreaming? That's what the models show." But I'm just like, didn't know if I bought that. And then last night on Arkansas Weather Live with the Weather Ninja, I went on the record on Thursday night and said that Tuesday system, the part of the storm system coming in on Tuesday, I don't know if that's going to pan out. And the models are now pushing it out towards the south. Cold and dry air winning out, pushing and suppressing this thing to the south. So, as I said, don't get all your hopes up with all this. Now, remember I said that the models were showing two waves of moisture. One Sunday night, and then the next one would be on Tuesday. And I still think there's a possibility for a little bit of snow on Tuesday, but barely any. But yes, the one Sunday night and into a Monday morning is still in play. But even with that one, the models kind of push that a little bit to the south, which is a good and a bad thing because that allows colder air to come in and we avoid freezing rain, and the cold air is a little bit more deeper. But does it get to the point where it just shoves everything south? So there's still so many questions. And what if everything starts coming back to the north again? Like I said, there's just going to be questions on how this, and I'll show you what the data is showing. But, that has been the trend this winter, is to suppress things to the south. All right, so this is Sunday. That's a pretty good area here. This is between noon and 6 p.m. on Sunday. Weatherbell.com, and that's sleet. The purple is freezing rain. There's the 32-degree line, GFS, this morning run, south of Little Rock. So we're dealing with sleet, snow across the north, and then sleet. You see the snow area is a little bit further south and encompassing, again, I think the NAM has this as well, encompassing north central, portions of central northeast Arkansas. This is between 6 p.m. and midnight on Monday, so you're getting some freezing rain across the south, sleet, snow. And this is a quick moving wave. And I can't stress it enough, not a major winter storm. The way it appears today, I said, this is not December 2012. This isn't the Christmas storm. This is nothing like that. This is just going to be a quick hitting, the way it appears today, a quick hitting area of moisture that comes through with cold air in place. But enough to cause problems. I don't want to minimize that. And then between midnight and 6 a.m., you see sleet, snow, freezing rain across southern Arkansas, and then it's out of here. You continue with freezing rain across southern Arkansas on Monday morning. But then there's still questions about Tuesday. So the precip hangs around southern Arkansas, and then that next wave comes in, and look, it keeps a wintry mix. Let's see if I can go out further. To snow Tuesday. All across, that's Tuesday during the morning and afternoon, across the southern quarter to 1/3 of the state. Now, I want to remind you how this is so fluid. The models yesterday had just snow gangbusters all over the state. Then it started pushing everything south. Now it's lifting it into southern Arkansas and keeping the rest of the state dry on Tuesday. So I still think the jury is out on Tuesday. I'm not convinced at all, just like I said yesterday, that Tuesday is going to wind up being a snowy day. It can change. It's Friday, that's Tuesday. This is just one of those things you just got to keep an eye on. Don't get your hopes up. I can already see it now. If we don't get snow on Tuesday, boy, the stones are going to be thrown at me. I can already see it. But that's fine. I'll catch them. So lots of questions still remain on this. But at least one of the surer things with this has the round of precipitate quick hitting, sleet, snow, mainly southern Arkansas, freezing rain, late Sunday and into early Monday morning. Let me see if I can show you max temperatures on Sunday before I leave you. So it's saying that the maximum temperature, the maximum temperature on Sunday afternoon is 35 degrees in Little Rock. Max temperatures across northern Arkansas, teens and 20s. Now Monday's max temperature in the afternoon. Here we go. 35. So you're talking about melting. President's Day, a lot of schools already out. Not all of them, but many. And on Tuesday, max temperatures, come on, showing where it's precipitating in the mid-30s. You can obviously see what the GFS is doing here, where it shows, yeah, clouds, precipitation keeps it in the 30s, everybody else in the 40s. That's the way I see it. And it will change, and I will keep you updated. Thanks for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big and small weather events.